Hello guys, welcome to my channel today, and in today's tutorial I'll be walking you through step by step on how to deposit on this Luno website, in the Luno app, and also how to withdraw on the Luno app. And also one special thing, also teach you how to make money on Luno through referrals, and this one is sure you're cashing out straight into your bank account. So without wasting much of your time, if you find this video helpful and this is your first time of coming across this channel, please do wait to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up and share this video. So let's dive in. So the first thing you need is a VPN. It's very important. If you watch these days, crypto apps are malfunctioning in Nigeria. So if you are in Nigeria, if you're watching this video from Nigeria, so you need a VPN. So I recommend you using the secure VPN, which is this one. Just go on your Play Store, on your app, or your Apple Store, search for secured VPN. Then you download it. Once you download it, it will take you through this surface. So this is how to just turn on the VPN and connect. So once it shows this way, it shows something like this, right? And then you go back. Not that you are minimizing, just tap on the back icon. It will take you back. Then you hit on that area. That area will show connect, not connected. It will show connect. Then you tap on it and connect. Then once it is connect now. Once it's connected, you show connected there. So once it is connected, the next thing you have to do right now is to go to your Luno. So if you don't have the Luno account and you wish to have, so I will drop a link in the description where you get to download the app and register with my promo code. Once you add the promo code, you have the referral bonus for yourself there. So the next thing you have to do, hit on that Naira wallet area, then hit on deposit. Once you tap on deposit, allow it to load up, then you hit on create voucher, which is that area, create voucher. Once I hit there right now, the next thing you have to do is to add the amount you want to deposit. It's 5,000 if it's 1,000 if it's 2,000 if it's bet from 5,000 up, so that I can get the referral bonus. Then hit on pay for my voucher. Once you hit there right now, but before doing that, the main thing you have to do is to turn off that VPN. That's one important thing. Just go straight and turn off the VPN, and just tap on that connected area. It will just read 1 2 3 4. Then you hit on disconnect. Once you disconnect, then you go straight and hit on pay for my voucher. So when loading the app, please make sure your VPN is on. But once you reach this area of payment, once you reach that particular area, turn off the VPN. Then you can select the payment option, either pay by transfer or pay with your card. Any of the options that is preferable for you. So me, I prefer paying by transfer, but if you want to pay by card, better. If you want to pay by me, I prefer paying by transfer. So that's the transfer details. Once you finish making the payment, you hit on I have made payment. So that's the transfer, the account number and all that number. So once you make the payment, you hit on I have made the payment. That black area there, it might not be clear right now, but once you are on your own Luno app, you see it there. You see that area where they wrote I have made the payment. So the arrow is showing you select the type of bank account, either your, like I've said before, either back transfer or with your ATM card. Any of the option that is preferable for you. The code that will be sent to you, a virtual code. Let me just turn on. Once you are done, once you go back, then you go straight and turn on the VPN, because the app will not be working without the VPN. So you don't hit on that connected, and it will be connected already. So you go back to the app and refresh it, and it will be connected. Then for it to, once that the virtual is sending to your line, your number, the main thing you have to do right now is to still hit on that deposit again. Go back there and hit on the deposit. Then hit on redeem voucher. That area now, you hit on redeem voucher. That voucher can be valid for at least 1 year or 1 month if you did not claim it. So you redeem voucher. Then you add the virtual number. What the code they will send for you consists of the virtual number, virtual code, and all that, and you confirm it. Then if you want to withdraw, that is the same process also you take. That's the same process. If you want to withdraw, you create voucher. The voucher will be sent to you. Once you redeem the voucher, the money will be sent to your account straight. That's how to withdraw, and also that's how to withdraw, and that's also how to transfer or deposit in very few steps. And this app is legit, and it have been paying in their referral options and all that, so you can try it out. You can go for the referral. I will drop my link in the description below, so just use my link and join this app. I just earned 1,000 naira today self, just from referral. So you can refer each one person you refer, you get 1,000 naira instantly. So once you just use the referral code, copy my promo code also. There will be a promo code there. Once you copy the promo code, you add it this way. You say add promo code. Once you just add the promo code there, the 1,000, you have your own 1,000 naira. You get your own 1,000 naira by using that my promo code, and also I will get my own 1,000 naira. So that is how to do that. And please, if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video. That is how you encourage me to make more videos. See you in my next video.